Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And I'm so sorry that this Easter video is so late. Honestly, I've been really focusing on TikTok. So yeah, I have so much stuff here that I need to share with you guys. So I am gonna start out by saying, after everything that's happened last year at the end, yes, we spoiled the heck out of my daughter. We really realize that she's a miracle, and we are really blessed that she is our beautiful little girl. So yes, this is not ideal for everybody. And again, we're just spoiling the hay out of her because we can. So I don't expect anybody to be like, oh my gosh, like you're overdoing it, you're doing too much. Probably am, but that's okay because what we went through was traumatic and we are blessed to have her. So yeah, I am so excited to share with you guys. My daughter is going to be 4 in August, so she is 3. This is also stuff that my mom got for her for Easter. So I'm just going to share with you guys everything that we got and quickly put everything together. Let's get into it. All right, so we got her some 20 a 20 pack of Play-Doh. She loves Play-Doh. Fortunately, she does let it dry out, but we did get her another thing of Play-Doh. I found these at I believe it was Ross. Yeah, Ross for $9, and they're little Easter eggs. I'm not sure if I'm going to put these around the house yet, or I'm actually going to give her this in an Easter basket. I'm just gonna kind of show you guys everything that we got so far. All right, I got her 2 books for the reason for the season. So the first Bible stories and my first book of prayer scriptures. A lot of prayer books. We love these for nighttime reads, and these were only $2.99 at Ross. So we got her some of those. Get my hair out of the way. I picked up 2 of these, which we're actually gonna probably play with right now, and they're little Easter egg decorating kits. Spider-Man. She loves Spider-Man, and she loves Disney. This is actually going to be what I'm putting in some of her Easter eggs. This is just bracelets. I'm going to throw that over there. I might show you guys that later, but that is going to be in there. I got little Easter egg stamps. Again, this is going in Easter eggs, and these may actually be the Easter eggs. Let me actually see what they look like. Oh, drops them all. But this is what they look like. And they're stamps. She actually was asking me the other day for stamps, and her stamps are all dried up because they're old. So we got some stamps. I did have my mom actually asked what nail polish I use for her. I'm very picky with nail polish because I want it to be safe for her and less chemicals. This is very expensive, but she got her some nail polishes for her because she only has like 6. Oh no, actually she has like 3 or 4 right now, but these are pricier, so she got her that. We got this from Target. It's a cute little lip balm. She loves lip balms. We got this little sand thing. Also, guys, a lot of this stuff I bought over last summer. Some things about last summer, some things I bought on clearance. It's just things that we find constantly, and we just start picking stuff up for her. We need to buy an actual new Easter basket for her this year. These are ones that we've used in the past. Husband found these at Walmart. She loves mini Barbie Land stuff, so he got 2 of these. There were $1.50. Again, finding things on clearance throughout the year, so he got her 2 little Barbies. I think I'm gonna do like a little Barbie Easter basket, so that's one thing that's done. I did get her some outdoor things, so I got her this little thing, which is for bubbles. I also got her this, which was $3. It came out like 2 months ago at Target. Again, guys, finding things throughout the years and throwing them for special occasions. I got this at Dollar Tree. They're little Easter egg chalk. Another reason for the season. A little from the Bible, just add watercoloring books. These are great if you have a child who loves arts and crafts and artsy stuff. Of course, it's not going to show me the page. There we go. And she just needs to use her brush and water, and that's all I got. This was from last year. So some stickers. My husband did pick out some new sunglasses for her. I think, yeah, these were from the dollar spot at Target as well. All right. And then, okay. And then again, things are Dollar Tree. So another reason for this season, coloring book. I'm gonna put that there. That one's actually another water one. Some more of these. These were again from last year. Found another one of these. I don't know if I'm gonna use all this stuff yet. I'm just kind of showing you guys what we picked up. This I did pick up for Easter specifically. She loves Polly Pockets and Mini Barbie Land, so she's gonna love this little bunny. My husband had found these at Target for $1.49 a while ago, and they're like little adopt me little figure things. Oops. So he got a couple of those. So we got a couple of those that we're gonna throw in there. I found this for her, which is a nice little track, magnetic track. She loves her cars, so we picked that out. This was like $5. So yeah. This was also on clearance. No, this is actually on sale at Ross for $2. She already has this, but she loves her cars. So the cars for the little Barbie Land. I'm actually throw that over there. And then this one's a new one, and this one's Mini Barbie Land, color changing, and it is basically like a little doctor kit, and she loves her little doctor thing from regular Barbie. So I think she's gonna love this. Some Easter sticker books. I've had this since she was 1. So we've had these for a while. I found these a long time ago. So these are going to go in some of our Easter baskets. I got 2 of those. I got these from last year as well. I got this at Dollar Tree. This one I also found at Dollar Tree. She actually loves this show as well. And then again, she does love her Spidey. And then another Mini Barbie Land. This one is a grocery store though, so this one's a new one. She does not have it, this one. All right, so I'm trying to put everything kind of together. All right, last bin here. I got this for her like winter like last year, but she didn't really like Polly Pocket then. So this little Polly Pocket, kind of like Cinco de Mayo kind of thing, looking thing. She's going to love that. This I don't think I'm gonna give to her. It is maybe, I don't know. I got this at Dollar Tree. It's like a little easel thing with a marker and crayons. We picked this up at Dollar Spot at Target. It makes lights. She's gonna love that. We got her 2 of these. My husband did. I don't really know what they are, to be honest. This is probably not a very good buy. He got her car crayons from Spidey. I'm not sure if I'm giving her those yet, but he did get her the Spidey web thing. It was $7. He got her this a while ago, actually. Got this at Dollar Tree. Got this on clearance. I think this was like $3 at Target. Little Dollar Tree thing. I got this on Amazon, which is going to love. I really wish it was a better description, but basically it's kind of like the paint books as well, but they're smaller, which I think is going to be great for like when we go out to eat, just to kind of give her something to be distracted with. And since she's been loving painting, I did give her some of these. So I got her this one, which is 24-pack washable. I got her some new brushes, and I got her this one as well, which is going to be like more of a travel little size thing. She loves this, but unfortunately she does leave it open and it dries out. But these butter clouds, these are so fun and therapeutic to play with. 10 out of 10 would recommend to get that even for yourself. We got another pack of these. It's time to throw away the ones we got for last year. We actually got it last year for our trip to Florida. She's loved them ever since. So I got a new pack just so that she can have a new pack. And then we found these at Ross. My husband picked them up. They're basically small versions of this. So he got one of those. We actually got 2, I believe. Again, just easy things that we know will distract her and play with her when we're out and about, even though she's really good at doing that. Now, some of these things are going to go in the Easter eggs. So yeah, I still got to do those as well. I have a lot to do right now. All right, so now I got to separate things of kind of how I want to set it up. All right, so these are my daughter's Easter baskets for this year. I forgot I had that little Target basket, so I went ahead and threw basically everything that matches it. So all her Spidey stuff is in there, and her little card thing is in there as well. And then this is the one that my mom's going to give her. So it's my first book of prayers, even though she already has one, but I threw in those guys in there. Her nail polish is actually back there, since she won't automatically know what that is when she sees it, until she sees like them in detailed. I made her a little Barbie Land one slash Polly Pocket one by itself, and then this is her like outdoorsy and arts and craftsy one, and that Easter basket is from her first Easter ever. And then let me show you my best friend's kids and the one I made for her daughter. So I got these cute cups from from Costco. They were it was like a set of 2 for $10. So I got 2 sets. These 2 from my best friend's boys. One is going to be 4, one's just turned 2. My other friend, Nelly, just has, I think she's like 6 months now. So I made her a little teeny tiny baby one. That is for Zori. My daughter picked everything for that one, if you can't tell, and for Jax. And my daughter's is a little bit smaller, but that's okay, since hers is honestly not really supposed to be an Easter basket. I just kind of threw a couple things in there for her. But yeah, guys, that is all of it. I have a huge mess everywhere now. Those are the Easter balls, the Easter eggs that I already stuff with the stuff for Easter. So there's some stickers in there, some cars, the little stamps are in there. But again, I'm just gonna kind of make them follow. So she has to kind of follow the Easter eggs to wherever she wants to follow them. Will be leading her to one of these Easter baskets. Again, this is not for everyone, but my daughter is my one and only. And I mean, I pray for another one day, but we will see what God has planned for us. But I really wanted to be extra this year. So, well, last year too, but yeah. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful Easter. Stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.